Hello everyone. In a previous lecture, we have discussed about impurities in aggregate, grading of aggregate and sieve analysis of aggregate. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about fineness modulus and numerical based on fineness modulus. Fineness modulus. We already discussed about fineness modulus. It is the number which gives an idea about the fineness or coarseness of an aggregate or gives an idea of the mean size of the particles in the entire body of the aggregate. It may be defined as the cumulative percentage of residue retained on each of the 10 Indian standard sieves ranging from 80 mm to 150 micron and dividing the sum by 100. Most important thing while calculating cumulative percentage weight retained, only consider sieve sizes ranging from 80 mm to 150 micron. If particles of aggregate are bigger than 80 mm, then we can take it into consideration while calculating cumulative percentage weight retained. But particles having size smaller than 150 micron, then in this case smaller particles having size less than 150 micron, we can't take into consideration while calculating cumulative percentage weight retained. Then fineness modulus is equal to summation of cumulative percentage weight retained divided by 100. Each succeeding sieve has half the aperture size of the previous one. Previous size having half size than succeeding one. It means 8 is half 40, 40 is half 20, 20 is half 10, 10 is half 5, but 4.75 is nearly equal to 5. 4.75 is half 2.36, 2.36 half 1.18, 1.18 is half 600 micron, 600 microns half 300 microns, and 300 microns half 150 microns. Very fine or very coarse sand is objectionable because fine sand is uneconomical and fineness modulus is in coarse sand gives harsh unworkable mixes. Very fine sand having more surface area, so it requires more cement paste. That's why it becomes uneconomical. Very coarse aggregate having big and more voids, so cement paste waste in filling very big voids, so it causes deficiency of cement paste for lubrication, so ultimately concrete become unworkable and harsh. Less value indication of finer material and more value shows coarse aggregate. It is recommended that fineness modulus of sand should not be less than 2.5 and more than 3. In a mechanical shaker, sieving should be continued for not less than 10 minutes and for hand shaking 2 minutes is required for each sieve. Fineness modulus of sand varies under. These limits of fine aggregate are only for fine aggregate or sand, not for coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate doesn't have any limits of fineness modulus. Type of sand is very fine and fineness modulus is less than 2.2. Fine sand, fineness modulus 2.2 to 2.6. Medium sand, fineness modulus is 2.6 to 2.9 and coarse sand, fineness modulus is 2.9 to 3.2. Then we will see numerical based on fineness modulus. First example. Following observations are taken out during the fineness modulus test on fine aggregate. Initial weight of sample was 500 gram. Calculate fineness modulus of the sample. Sieve size 4.75 mm. Mass retained 16 gram. Sieve size 2.36 mm. Mass retained 76 gram. Sieve size 1.18 mm. Mass retained 104 gram. Sieve size 600 micron. Mass retained 84 gram. Sieve size 300 micron. Mass retained 128 gram. Sieve size 150 micron. Mass retained 82 gram. Sieve size 75 micron. Mass retained 4 gram. Sieve size lower than 75 micron. Mass retained 6 gram. The cumulative percentage of residue retained on each of the 10 Indian standard sieves ranging from 80 mm to 150 micron. So consider sieve size up to 150 micron for cumulative percentage weight retained, and we have to skip mass retained on 75 micron and lower than 75 micron sieves. Then let's see how to calculate fineness modulus. There are four terms. First, sieve size. Second, weight retained. Third, percentage weight retained is equal to weight retained divided by total weight into 100. And fourth, cumulative percentage of weight retained. Then sieve sizes are ranging from 4.75 mm to lower than 75 micron. Weight retained on each sieve in terms of gram and total weight is equal to 500 gram. Then percentage weight retained is equal to weight retained divided by total weight into 100. Then weight retained on 4.75 mm sieve is 16 gram and total weight is 500 gram. So 16 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 3.20%. Then weight retained on 2.36 mm sieve is 76 gram and total weight is 500 gram. So 76 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 15.20%. Then weight retained on 1.18 mm sieve is 104 gram and percentage weight retained is equal to 104 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 20.18. Then weight retained on 600 micron sieve is 84. So 84 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 16.8%. Then weight retained on 300 micron sieve is 128 gram and where percentage weight retained is equal to 128 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 25.6. Then weight retained on 150 micron sieve is 82 gram. Then 82 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 16.4. Now we have to consider percentage weight retained up to 150 microns use. So skip 75 micron and lower than 75 microns use. Then cumulative percentage of weight retained. Cumulative means all in or total. So total weight retained up to 4.75 mm is 3.20%. Then cumulative percentage weight retained up to 2.36 mm is 3.20 plus 15.20 is equal to 18.40. Then total weight retained up to 1.18 mm is 3.20 plus 15.20 which is equal to 18.40 plus 20.80. So total cumulative percentage weight retained up to 1.18 mm is 39.20. Then cumulative percentage weight retained up to 600 microns is 39.20 plus 16.80 is equal to 56%. Then cumulative percentage weight retained up to 300 microns is 56% plus 25.6 is equal to 81.16. Then total weight retained up to 150 microns is 81.16 plus 16.4 is equal to 98. And at last summation of total cumulative percentage weight is 296.40. We get total cumulative percentage of weight retained is equal to 296.40. Then fineness modulus is equal to total cumulative percentage weight retained divided by 100. Then 296.40 divided by 100 is equal to 2.96. Then fineness modulus is ranging between
2.9 to 3.2. Then type of sand is coarse. Therefore, fineness modulus of fine aggregate is 2.96 and type of fine aggregate is coarse. Then next example is find fineness modulus of a sample of given aggregate for the following items. The sieve sizes are ranging from 4.75 mm to 150 micron and pan and mass retained on each sieve in terms of gram. We have to consider sieve size up to 150 micron for cumulative percentage weight retained and skip the weight retained on pan. Then let's find out total cumulative percentage weight retained. First, sieve sizes. Sieve sizes are ranging from 4.75 mm to 150 micron and pan. Weight retained on each sieve in terms of gram. The total weight of aggregate is 1000 gram. Then percentage weight retained is equal to weight retained on a sieve divided by total weight into 100. Then weight retained on 4.75 mm sieve is 14 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 14 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 1.4. Then weight retained on 2.36 mm sieve is 128 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 128 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 12.6. Then weight retained on 1.18 mm sieve is 266 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 266 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 26.6. Then weight retained on 600 micron sieve is 308 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 308 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 30.8. Then weight retained on 300 micron sieve is 165 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 165 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 16.5. Then weight retained on 150 micron sieve is 54 gram. So percentage weight retained is equal to 54 divided by 1000 into 100 is equal to 5.4. And we have to skip weight retained on pan. Then cumulative percentage of weight retained. Cumulative percentage of weight retained up to 4.75 mm is 1.4. Then total weight retained up to 2.36 mm is 1.4 plus 12.6 is equal to 14. Then cumulative percentage weight retained up to 1.18 mm is 14 plus 26.6 is equal to 40.6. Then weight retained up to 600 microns is 40.6 plus 30.8 is equal to 71.4. Then total weight retained up to 300 microns is 71.4 plus 16.5 is equal to 87.9. Then cumulative percentage weight retained up to 150 microns is 87.9 plus 5.4 is equal to 93.3. Then summation of cumulative percentage weight retained is equal to 308.6. We get total cumulative percentage of weight retained is equal to 308.6. Then fineness modulus is equal to total cumulative percentage of weight retained divided by 100. Then 308.6 divided by 100 is equal to 3.1. The fineness modulus is ranging between 2.9 to 3.2. So type of sand is coarse. Therefore
Fineness modulus of fine aggregate is 3.1 and type of fine aggregate is coarse.
The next example is calculate fineness modulus from the given data. The sieve size and mass retained in terms of gram. The sieve sizes are ranging from 150 mm to 4.75 mm. It means type of aggregate is a coarse aggregate. In a case of coarse aggregate, we have to consider weight retained on a pan also, because in a sample of coarse aggregate there is no chance of presence of particle size less than 150 micron.
We get total cumulative percentage of weight retained is equal to 568.58. Then fineness modulus is equal to total cumulative percentage of weight retained divided by 100. Then 568.58 divided by 100 is equal to 5.69. Therefore, fineness modulus of coarse aggregate is 5.69.